Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some useful tips on math in LaTeX. So let me begin the document here. And okay, before I continue, I will tell LaTeX that I would like to use the package AMS Math. And then here, so let me see what I have. I can have fractions in line, for instance, which would be, okay, I will use two dollar signs, which shows that I'm using inline math, and then I can say fraction, fraction, so frac, and then here I will add, for instance, A and B. Also, let me compare this. So, okay, two backslashes show that I'm going to the next line. So compare this with A and B. Okay, let's make a PDF and let's see what we've made. So this one has been made using the frac here, the frac command here, but this one is just the useful and usual slash. So this is of course more useful when you're writing equations. Yeah, but sometimes inline math you would prefer this one. So it really depends what kind of equations you're using, and sometimes just on your taste. Okay, so let's go further and try something else. Okay, I will begin an equation and then I will say I would like to say A results in B. So what I do is that I use an arrow. So you can find arrows here. I would like to use right arrow, A results in B. So let's compare this with this one. A results B. And then compare them together. So the one with the capital R here is shown here, the other one is shown here. So this is very simple. You can try all of these inside your equations, and they're really useful. Also, there are some Greek letters that you can use. So for the Greek letters, let's see what we can do. So again, I'm still using mathematics, so I have to be inside dollar signs. So let me say, for instance, lambda. So compare lambda with lambda. These are both the same, however, the first letter here, here, it is actually capital L, the other one is small l, and you can see that the difference is shown here. These are very easy and useful tips that you can use. You might also need indexes. So for the indexes, okay, let me have an equation. So here I have I equals, for instance, bj. And then these underlines show that I'm using A and J as indexes here. However, just be careful that if, for instance, this one here has more letters than, more than one, for instance, it has JK, then you would need to do something else. Just let's take a look. So if you write it like this, K would be considered as just a normal letter. However, you have to do this, and then Jake and K are both considered to be indexes of B here.